What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with How to Build Credit TV, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the fact that my credit score actually on Credit Karma, because it's a free tool, I'm going to be talking about the fact that my credit score increased 6 points on Transunion and 7 points on Equifax. Now, once again, I will be showing you my actual credit scores according to Credit Karma. This is a Vantage score, so it's not a Fico score, but it's still a good tool and a free tool, and you guys know I love free tools. Listen, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV. On this channel, I talk about credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so the short version of the story is I really started to rebuild my credit from 2013, and it's obviously 2023. I created this channel in 2018, March of 2018. So it's been 5 years that I've been on YouTube, and it's been an incredible experience. Now, I have talked a lot about the fact that in order to improve your credit score, you can do something as simple as paying your balance down. So if you have credit card balances, if you have a balance on your credit card, the closer that balance is to zero, the higher your credit score will be. Now, there's a big controversy about if you should be using 1% of your overall credit limit, and your credit score is higher if you're using 1%. Now, with what I'm going to show you guys on my Credit Karma, you're actually going to see that as a result of paying off my credit cards, because I paid off my Apple Card, my credit score actually went up. So I'm doing this video to show you guys the power in getting rid of your credit card balances, or just lowering your overall utilization on your credit cards. Okay, I always preach the closer you are to zero, the higher your score is going to be. So what I'm going to do now is I have a screen recording going here on my iPhone. I'm going to go ahead and jump in Credit Karma, and I will do my Face ID. So you guys will see the screen recording obviously on the screen. And there's not going to be any difference, no change today, because the change occurred yesterday. So we'll start with my TransUnion. You can see it's 812 right now. I'll touch on TransUnion right now. And as you guys can see, I will touch on where it was 806. So you see 806, April 4th, 2023. And then if I touch the other one above on April the 7th, 2023, it went up 6 points. Now, the cool thing that I like about Credit Karma is, other than it's free, the fact that it tells you see what changed. So underneath my credit score of 812, I'm going to click on see what changed. And of course it says balance decreased. It has my Discover Card bank account balance decrease, but I'm going to click on view previous changes. And so you guys will be able to see, as you can see on April the 7th of 2023, my score went up 6 points. So it went from 806 to 812. Now, if I touch on that, it'll show you exactly what happened. ASE is my student loans. And then of course, Apple Card, it's telling you that the balance on my student loans decreased a little bit, as well as the balance on my Apple Card. That is the reason that my score went up 6 points. Now, once you're in the 800s, your score going up 6 points, you know, from 806 to 812, it's not that big of a deal, just because it's not. Let me show you guys another thing that I do like about Credit Karma is the fact that it has all these different categories here. You see the payment history is 100%, credit card use 1%, it's really less than 1%. Derogatory marks 0, credit age 4 years 11 months, which means that if my credit age was higher, like 9 years, my score would even be higher. It would be closer to 850, which is ridiculous. Total accounts 39, hard inquiries 0. Now, I have 0 hard inquiries. I waited patiently for 2 years for these to fall off. I'm going to show you guys what's going on with my Equifax. Right now, you can see my score is 814 on Equifax. I'll click on it, and as you guys can see, if I click here on April the 4th, my score was 807, and then of course on April the 7th, my score went up 7 points, which is now 814. If I click right underneath my score, 814, see what changed, I'll click on that, and I'll pull it up. Right here, it says the same thing, Discover Card balance decrease, but I'm going to click on view previous changes because I want to show you guys that on the 7th, where my score went up 7 points, you can see that at the top of the screen. If I click on that, it tells you that my Apple Card balance was decreased. And by decreased in this particular instant, that means that I actually paid all of it off. Now, the reason why my score went up 7 points is because I paid it all off. And then once it finally reported that I paid it off, my score jumped 7 points. Okay. So the thing is, as you're paying your cards off, you may not see the jump as far as points are concerned. 7 points doesn't seem like a lot, but it may be depending on where you are. Okay. So if you're paying it off gradually, you're not going to see your score jump a lot of points. You know, it may go up 1 point and you're wondering why. Well, it could be because you're paying off your account. So once again, my credit score with Equifax, according to Credit Karma, is 814, and with TransUnion, it's 812. Now, for me personally, my FICO scores are always higher than my Credit Karma score. Now, for the average person, that's not normally the case. Normally, your FICO score is lower than your Credit Karma score, okay? Because, of course, Credit Karma has reasons to give you a good credit score, so they can tell you that your chances of getting approved for a certain credit card is quite high, and then you get very excited and you apply for that card. But I wanted to show you guys that because I love making these videos in the way that, number one, I'm pretty transparent. You saw me log into my account with Credit Karma and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. And the thing is, like, you don't have to spend a bunch of money in order to get your credit where it needs to be. There's a bunch of free information here on this channel, How to Build Credit TV. I mean, I have easily over 500 videos. Once again, I started the channel back in March of 2018. So feel free to take a look around. Click on the name How to Build Credit TV. It'll take you to my channel. And then, of course, you can find, it'll say home, then it'll say videos, then it'll say community. There's be a bunch of different words where you can kind of see. It won't be at the top, but the top third of the screen, not the very top, but the top third. Okay. And you can kind of navigate that way. And of course, you can also sort how you'd like to view the videos. You could see the most recent videos. You could see the videos from the very, very beginning, which would be kind of funny to do. Just because you could see the growth from when I first uploaded my video back in 2018 to where I am now and how I present now. Listen, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.